Oh, this is Kebelco. So Kebelco is a Japanese import made in Japan, like originally made in Japan. Of course, progressive thumbs, hydraulic quick hookers, and two auxiliary controls on the hydraulics. So help you to install, help you to connect those two action required attachments. Brand new bucket, and yeah, super nice Kebelco. I know a lot of people love Kebelco. It is nice, super nice machine. So here, again, this one is also have AC and heater. Yeah, super quiet and fast response.